welcome back to my channel. Myself Pooja. Today I am showing you a salon like hair spa at home with the easy step-by-step treatment at home. So without wasting any minute, let's get starting the video. Watch the video till the end. Never forget like the video and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. A salon like hair spa at home. So here is the first step. Massage your hair and scalp. The first step is doing your hair at home is oiling your hair at home. Oiling improves the blood flow and scalp, also reduce frizziness, even breakage. So let me show you how it's done.
So first I brush my hair and get rid of all the knots and tangles. This makes the process of oil application very easy. After that I section the hair with my fingers. Then I am going to warm up a little oil. I take some oil and use in circular motion and work it into my roots of the hair. Use the right amount of oil, as using too much will mean that you will have to use more shampoo later. Massage is consistent pattern and try to cover the entire scalp. Now I am done with the scalp process. Make sure to apply oil at the back of your head, the area behind the hair and the area just above your nape of your neck. I will start applying the oil on the length of my hair. Take some oil and rub it into your palm, then rub it into the length of your hair. So here our massage your hair and scalp process almost done.
Our second step is steam your hair with the towel. This is one of the most important treatment while doing a hair spa at home. Steam therapy will open the pores of your scalp. Let me show you how it's done.
Now to start the steam therapy, take a thin towel and soak it into a warm water. Make sure that the water is not so hot, it can harm your hair as well. Remove the towel and squeeze out all the excess water. Then just wrap the warm towel around your head and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then unwrap the towel and massage your head gently to work the oil into the hair. So now go to the next step, which is one of my favorite step. So the next step is wash out the oil.
Third step is wash out the oil from your hair. So here is the third step, which is one of my favorite step. This step really feels relaxed to me and also nourishing my hair. Step is wash out the oil from your hair. Now it's time to wash your hair and get rid of all impurities that have been released after the steam therapy. Wear your hair like this.
Here I am taking the keratin treatment shampoo. You can take any of your favorite shampoo. Now it's time to wash the hair and get rid of all impurities that have been released. So gently massage your scalp with the shampoo, working to your way down to every single strand of your hair. And use the shampoo twice to get rid of all the oil and rinse off thoroughly. Then you can wash your hair with your normal water. So after shampoo, I apply a conditioner to moisturize and get rid of dryness and frizziness. This makes your hair more manageable and looks so super soft. Before you start a conditioning, make sure you have to squeeze the all water out from your strands. Take some of your palm and smooth it. Let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes and rinse off with a water. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can wash it with the normal water. Then dry up with your hairs with the help of towel.
Last step in salon like hair spa at home. Here is our last step in salon like hair spa at home, using a hair mask. Without using hair mask, a salon like hair spa treatment is never completed. It gives out hair with the right kind of nutrition. Hair spa that I am using is to protect your hair from chemicals and heat. So let me show you how I can do the last and final step of our salon like hair spa treatment.
So here take a white tooth comb, then section your hair. You can use any your favorite hair mask. Here I am using a keratin treatment hair mask. Take the hair mask and manage it into your scalp. Selection your hair and done the massage downward to the tip of the hair. Pay all over your extra attention to the tip as they are prone to dryness and needed extra care. This ensures that the mask evenly distributed throughout the hair. Do the same process to all over your hair. Selection your hair and then apply your mask to the tip as well. The hair mask your hair provide the right kind of nutrition. The hair mask that I am using is going to protect your hair from heat and chemical as well. Do the same process to the other side of your hair. Apply the mask to all over your hair. After applying the hair mask, when you wash your hair, you see and you instantly knowing the difference in your hair as well. Then take a white tooth comb and comb through. This ensures that mask evenly distributed throughout the hair. After that, you can tie your hair as like a bun tightly. After tying my hair, I am using here is a spa cap, and after that, this hair spa cap is invincible tool nourishing your hair at home. It also gives temperature control with 3 different mode of temperature. You can adjust the temperature according you need it. Wrap all the hair with the spa cap and plug in power. Heat about 1 minute, adjusting your favorite temperature. Remove the heating cap about 10 to 18 minutes. This is safe and convenient to use. Bring moisturizer to your roots and leaves your hair super soft and smooth. Then after 10 to 18 minutes you can unwrap the cap. Wait for 10 to 18 minutes at least. So here 10 to 18 minutes is over. I unwrap my hair spa cap. After that you can massage your hair for 2 to 3 minutes. Then wash your hair with warm water, otherwise you can use as normal water too, which suits your hair as well. After washing your hair, squeeze out the water with the help of towel. After that, I am here using Stix hair serum. You can use your favorite hair serum. Apply like that in both the sides. After applying the serum, leave your hair for dry. You will find after drying your hair is smooth and glossy. Guys, I hope you find this video informative and it makes you want to try hair spa at home. Do try it out maybe in a week or 15 days. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give the thumbs up to the video and subscribe my channel.